Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow WhatsApp Web to ask for location permission on your PC. With the latest update, managing your location settings has become even more user-friendly. Let's dive into the simple steps to set up this feature. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WhatsApp Web. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar WhatsApp interface. Now, let's focus on the address bar at the top of your browser window. Next to the web address, you'll notice a small icon. This icon might look like a lock or an information symbol, depending on your browser. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says View Site Information. This action will open a small window with various site-specific settings. In this new window, look for an option labeled Site Settings or something similar. Click on it to access more detailed permissions for WhatsApp Web. This will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of how the website interacts with your computer. Scroll down this page until you find the location permission. By default, it might be set to Block or Allow. We want to change this to Ask. Click on the drop-down menu next to Location and select the Ask option. This setting ensures that WhatsApp Web will request your permission each time it needs to access your location. By following these steps, you've successfully configured WhatsApp Web to ask for location permission on your PC. This gives you more control over your privacy and allows you to decide when and if you want to share your location while using WhatsApp on your computer. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them according to your preferences. Whether you're sharing your location for a quick meetup or collaborating with colleagues, you now have the power to manage your location sharing on WhatsApp Web with ease. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced WhatsApp Web experience.